What a girls' championship it was for 2023 with Heidel pipping Edwin Allen to the title. These are the final point standings. Heidel 279 with Edwin Allen 277 in second. Homewood third 202, followed by St. Jago 178, and fifth went to St. Catherine on 116. Wilma's girls were sixth with 111 points. Immaculate were seventh, 94. Excelsior 74.5. Stets 45.5. And Mount Alvernia 39 to round off the top 10. Spaldings, Alphonsus Davis, well, they finished in 11th with 38. Vertec 34.5. St. Mary High 34.5 in 12th as well. Camperdown 30. Clarendon 29 for 15th position. Manchester High came 16th with 20 points. Petersfield and Holy Childhood shared 17th spot with 16 points. William Knibb, Lacovia and the Glengoff finished on 14 points for 19th. 22nd was Rhodes Hall with 12 points. Ferncourt 8 points for 23rd. St. Mary's College, Bridgeport, Campion and Port Antonio all finishing on 7 points for 24th. Mushet 28th with 6 points. Mergrove 5 and the Queen's School and Alpha 30th with 4.5. Magotty were 32nd with 4, same as Westwood and Sydney Pagan, with Belfield and Mannings sharing 35th position on 3 points. And then it was Happy Grove and Clancarty with 2 points for 37th, and Denby with a single point, making it 39th. And so that's it. How well did your school do? Let me know in the comment section, and remember to subscribe to JamFit, celebrating the Jamaican culture, a yard and abroad.